Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using your phone totally free. And this is a new method. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. Please share this video too, guys, because I'm trying to get to 6,000 subscribers. As you could tell at the beginning of the video, I'm still running the free money giveaway contest. And if you're new, you just came on this channel, you have a chance to win the free money. All you have to do is click on the link that's in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. And just follow those instructions. Also, watch this video all the way to the very end because something is going to pop up at the end of this video. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Parabus. Now, I've never talked about this site before. And guys, this is very different from other type of websites that I've talked before in the past that's dealing with cash back. So let's go ahead and learn a little bit about this. So sign up for Parabus and find out if stores owe you a refund. So guys, stores going to be giving you a refund for stuff you already bought. So all you're going to do is sign up with the email to use for online shopping receipts. We'll scan your inbox for receipts from stores we monitor. And it's free to sign up. You could use Google to sign up or Yahoo or Microsoft. So let's just scroll down here and see how it works. So you shop online like you normally do. Parabus monitors prices. So Parabus gonna track your confirmation emails and watches for prices, for price changes, so you don't have to. And then you get money back. So when we detect potential savings, we let you know and help you get your money back. Isn't that unique, guys? So all you gotta do is just shop like you normally do, and whatever that price is, if it drops and gets lower, then they're going to send you a refund. And I'm going to show you how that works. So it says here over 29 million in potential savings found for users to date. That is a lot of money, guys. That is a lot of money. And they support 25 major retailers. So like Amazon, Target, Home Depot, Gap, Best Buy. And this is what they offer. So this is how it works. So let's say you went and shopped and you went to buy this from Nordstrom's. And you bought it for $90.98. And then later, the price dropped to $78.24. You're going to get refunded $12.74. So that's how that works. So all this time, Parabus is going to be managing or monitoring all these stores. And if something you bought from there, from looking at your receipt of whatever you bought, they're going to give you the refund for it. But not only that, they also going to give you a refund for late deliveries. So we track your shipments from select online retailers like Amazon to get you compensated for late deliveries. So if you order something from Amazon, like I always do, and they're always late, you're going to get compensated for a certain amount of money. Now, I guess it probably all depends on how they calculate how much they charge for delivery or whatever. And you're going to get compensated for that. And then also you're going to get paid on returns. So with all the different return policies out there, it can be hard to keep track. Parabus tracks returns windows for you so you don't have to. So they track that too, guys. They track returns. So let's just scroll down here and see what some of the people are saying. So this person right here, let's go to this next one. So this person right here said they got $11.71. And let's see what else. This person right here got $33. And this person right here got $22 back. This is simple, guys. This is simple. This is just some extra money you can make without even doing any type of work. Just shopping, guys. That's all you have to do. Now you can go down here and click on support and frequently asked questions to learn a little bit more. But that's all I'm going to say about this website. And once you sign up, it's going to be an app that you have to download. And it's going to be part of your phone, on your phone, and they'll be able to track everything for you. Okay, guys, if you want to go ahead and get started with this website, go ahead and go to parabus.co. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, for the ones that made it, hopefully all of you guys made it all the way to the end of this video, please type this number that's going to pop up on this video right now. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers, hopefully by the end of this month, which is the month of February. Let's do this, guys. Let's get there this month. No messing around. Share this video everywhere. Hit the like button on every video and follow those instructions as far as the free money giveaway, and you could be the lucky winner. Matter of fact, 2 people could be the lucky winner. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start back doing shout outs, so please leave a creative comment down in the comments below. Hey guys, if you have a YouTube channel, you're trying to grow it, these shout outs is going to help you. I know I'm not a real big YouTuber, but I get some views. And if you want to get a shout out, you want to try to increase your YouTube channel, please drop a creative comment. Also, in the description below, I have this link you can click on where you can help you increase your views and help you, grow your YouTube channel. So click on that link in the description below. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again for tuning in. Let's do it. Road to 6,000. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Have a prosperous day.
Get your grind on, yeah. grind on. Yeah, get your grind on.